Looking for a file, but Windows search is taking forever. Everything Search can help you find files and folders by name almost instantly. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basics of using everything, from simple searches to filters and quick file actions. First, open Everything from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. The first time it launches, it creates an index of your files and folders. This usually takes only a moment for local NTFS drives, so, wait until the results list finishes loading before you start searching. Click inside the search bar at the top, then type part of a file or folder name. Everything updates the results as you type. For example, type invoice to find items with invoice in the name. You don't need to type the full name, which makes it useful when you only remember part of it. To find a certain file type, add the extension to your search. For example, type .pdf to show PDF files, or type .jpg to find image files. You can also combine words and extensions, like report.docx, to look for Word documents with report in the name. For more control, open the search menu at the top of the app. Here, you can filter results by file type, date modified, size, and more. This is handy when your search returns a long list and you know, for example, that the file was changed recently. When you find the file you need, double-click it to open it normally. If you want to see where it is stored, right-click the result and choose Open Path. You can also copy the full path, rename the file, or use the context menu for other quick actions. If you use Everything often, keep it running in the background and use its keyboard shortcut to bring up the search window quickly. You can also sort results by name, path, size, or date modified by clicking the column headers. Those small changes can make finding files even faster. And that's the basic way to use Everything Search. Start with a simple name search, narrow it with extensions or filters, and open the result you need. Once you get used to it, finding files on Windows becomes much quicker.